Are you ready to quit? There's probably just one thing standing between you and the door, and that's your 2 weeks notice letter. Luckily, I'm here to help. I'm Anna, a professional career writer here at Resume.io, and this is my step-by-step guide on how to write a 2 weeks notice letter so that you can quit your job as smoothly as possible. And make sure to stick around for the end of the video where we'll get a bonus tip from executive career coach Ryan Dickerson. Let's get started. A 2-week notice letter gets its name from the fact that in the US, 2 weeks is the minimum notice you're required to give before leaving your job. Also called a resignation letter, this is a legal document that allows you to make a polite and professional exit. First, you're going to need to type this letter so that you can email it or hand it in to your boss. I'm using Resume.io's cover letter builder because it makes the formatting part much easier. Start by creating a header with your name, job title, and email address. Also add the company name and your boss's name. This next step is very important. Date the letter. This is how you know when your 2 weeks starts. Now we can start writing the letter. Address your boss the way you normally would. Your first sentence should mention your job title, the company name, and your intention to resign. Then specify your last day of work, usually 2 weeks from the letter date. The next paragraph is the place to express your gratitude and state something you genuinely enjoyed about the position. You can also give a simple reason why you decided to leave. If you'd rather not say, then add a general phrase like, "I've decided to pursue other opportunities." The third paragraph should reiterate your appreciation and offer to ease the transition. For example, by preparing other coworkers to take on your responsibilities. Then sign off respectfully with your full name. Now, let's check in with executive career coach Ryan Dickerson for his expert advice on leaving your job with grace. Ryan, why is it important to show gratitude on your resignation letter?
Showing gratitude and appreciation on your resignation letter, I think, accomplishes a few things. The first is it lets you make peace with your experience there, even in the smallest of ways. It also gives you a chance to keep the door open as you leave this company. You might want the opportunity in the future to come back. I find that generally taking that time to reflect, saying thank you for the opportunity and the experience you gained, keeps the door open, lets you move on with grace.
Before you send your letter, make sure to have a genuine conversation with your boss to let them know that you're leaving. Then send your boss and HR manager an email with a PDF version of your letter attached. And that's all there is to it. In 2 weeks, you'll be walking out that door for the last time. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about quitting your job, and make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more career tips and advice for your job search.